Hello. So today I have an unboxing of package I got by the YouTube video. You know that it's Gen 2 Multicam. I'm just gonna cover up all my personal information, but as you can see, it's from China. Ordered this April 1st. It is May 8th, and it just got here. So it took about a month and a half. I ordered this from AliExpress. It's just like a China dealership. It's for 80 bucks. So yeah, I've been waiting a long time for this. So I'll just unbox it. So this is probably going to be my first video. I don't even know if I'm going to upload this, because I don't know if I want to deal with having a YouTube channel. But let's see how this looks. Alright, so I got the full suit. I am like 5'10", like 140, 135 pounds. So I decided to go medium because I'm at about a 30 waist. So let's see how this is. Alright. So these are the pants. As you can see, now I'm kind of interested in the dark color that's around it. From the pictures it looked less brown, but it is really brown around here. The good thing is it's stretchy, so it stretches, so you can do that. And because these are Gen 2s, they come with the knee pads. And they feel nice. I actually like these a lot. Wow, these feel comfortable. So, as you can see, is the Emerson. Waist 32. So, let it be known a medium in Emerson is 32 waist, and I'm at 30. So this must be big. But then again, as you can see, there is a Velcro YKK zipper. And then there's the stretchy part on the back. See how dark it is? It's kind of weird. I don't know if I like that. Then you have pockets. Pockets, you have leg pocket down here. Velcro on the bottom to adjust your pant leg. Let's get the shirt. As you can see, medium. Oh, I like this shirt. I like this shirt a lot. Mine, the Gen 2s, do come with elbow pads on the side. And Velcro on the pockets. You know, a lot of people say that the Emerson elbow pads don't feel good, but I actually like them a lot. They're hard. They feel good. I like them. Obviously, Velcro on either side of the arm. Here's patches, and it's a combat shirt. You know, aired out. Instructions on how to wash it. And I'm gonna see how this fits on me. it's gonna be a little bit big. Okay, well, I'll do a separate video for teaching. So that's been the unboxing. Okay, I'm back. I'm doing this in my garage because it was loud outside and the sun was bright. I was kind of over it. So I put the Emerson Multicam on, and what do you know, it actually fits pretty darn good. I thought it was going to be way too big, and I almost ordered large. Really glad I didn't, because that would have just been huge. And overall, I really like it. The shirt fits nice, the elbow pads are nice. You know, I put on some patches just because I felt like I needed some for the video. But overall, pretty darn good. One thing I did like, and I'm not gonna take credit for this, another reviewer that I saw on the same product did this. This combat shirt part goes all the way past the armpit on both sides, you see? So, you know, your armpits be a little more ventilated. Overall, I really like it, you know? Here, we'll do a lower view of the pants. I don't have my boots on right now, but I normally run just boots. As you can see, elbow pads or knee pads were good. So do elbow pads. So overall, pretty successful. I'm gonna say this: the knee pads are actually very comfortable. I was expecting them to be garbage, but the knee pads are good. The elbow pads, my elbow's right here, so you can see the shirt's a little bit too big. My arms aren't long enough. But I mean, when you bend the elbows, you're good. But overall, pretty solid. As far as review points go, I can't really make a review. Haven't even feel that just got it about an hour ago. But I like it a lot. That's all I can say. If you want to buy it, buy it. Don't get the Gen 3s. In my personal opinion, I think they look really stupid, and they don't come with pads, and they're more expensive, and they don't look good at all. As far as multicam pattern, in comparison to the real multicam, like Crime Licensed or whatever, my friend has true spec multicam. He wishes he would have gotten this because, you know, just everything's cool. But I think it looks exactly like multicam. The shirt's a little bit darker than the true spec shirt, which I like. The true spec shirt's really tan, like kind of like this. This is just a Condor. Well, no, this is a Rothco hat. But as you can see, it's a little more green, a little more olive, which goes well with multicams. It's a little bit greener. But yeah. If you guys like this video, please comment, rate, subscribe. This is my first video, and I might be making more depending on how the turnout gets. So if you guys like this, then that's cool.